Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, and thank you for giving me this opportunity. My name is Kevin Ananda, and today I would like to introduce myself and share a complete story about where I am, where I came from, my educational journey, my family, my hobby, and my goals for the future. I hope that after listening to my presentation, you will know me better not only as a student, but also as a person who is growing and learning every day. I was born on November 5, 2005, and I am currently 20 years old. I come from Morabungo, which is, which is a district in Jambi province. Growing up in Morabungo has shaped my personality. It's, it is a peaceful place with friendly people, and it taught me the values of simplicity, respect, and hard work. Even though I now live far from my hometown, Morabungo, I will always be a special part of my life. I come from a small but loving and supportive family. I am the first child, and I have one younger sibling who is currently in the third grade of senior high school. My father worked at the village office, and he is someone I look up to. He teaches me about responsibility, leadership, and discipline. My mother works in hospital as a nurse, and she inspires me with her patience, kindness, and dedication to helping others. Even though I now live far away in Padang, their support gives me strength. We stay in touch through calls and messages, and they always encourage me to study well and take care of myself. Right now, I live in Tunggul Hitam, Padang, because I moved here to continue my studies. Living far from my family is not always easy. I have to manage everything on my own: cooking, cleaning, studying, and taking care of myself. However, living independently teaches me many important lessons. I learned how to be stronger, more disciplined, and more responsible. I learned how to handle stress and stay focused on my goals, even when things get difficult. Sometimes I miss family. I miss my family and the comfort of home, but this challenge helped me grow into a better and more mature person. I am currently studying at Universitas Negeri Padang, majoring in automotive engineering education. I chose this major because I have always been interested in engines, vehicles, and automotive technology. As a student, my daily life includes attending class, taking notes, doing assignment, and practicing in the workshop. The practical sessions are of my favorite because I get to learn how engines and mechanical systems work in real life. Sometimes studying can be tiring, but enjoy the process because I know it will help me build a strong foundation for my future career. I see myself as a calm and friendly person. I enjoy meeting new people, learning new things, and listening to different experiences. I try to be responsible and disciplined in everything I do. Of course, I also have weakness. Sometimes I feel nervous when speaking in public or when using English. I also tend to overthink, but I am improving these weaknesses little by little through practice and confidence building. Build. One of my main hobbies is playing games. Gaming helps me relax after studying and it keeps my mind active. I enjoy many types of games, mobile games or console games. Some games are fun because they are challenging, while others have interesting story of allow me to play with friends. Stroke gaming, I learning teamwork, strategy and focus. Sometimes I even meet new people online and build friendships through games. Besides games, I'm very interested in automotive technology. I like watching videos about cars, modification, engines, and new automotive Innovation. This hobby support my education and helps me better understand what I learn in class. One of the biggest challenges I face is living far from my family. Managing everything alone can be difficult. However, I believe challenge helps shape of our character. Each obstacle teaches me to be stronger, more patient, and more mature. In the future, I want to become a professional in the automotive field. I hope to build I hope to build a stable career, support my parents and make my family proud. I also want to continue learning and improving myself so I can contribute to society. In addition to my education and daily activities, I also want to share about my personal growth as a young adult living from home. Moving from Morogoro to Padang was one the biggest change in my life. At first, everything felt new and challenging the env- environment, the people, and even the lifestyle. There were times when I felt lonely, especially during my first weeks in Padang. I had to adapt to new routines, build new friendship, and learn how to manage my time better. But slowly, I started to enjoy the process. I discovered that independence is not just about living alone, but also about making good decisions, developing emotional strength, and learning how to trust myself. Throughout this journey, I also learning important lesson that discipline will make me further than talent, that hard work always give result even if slowly, and that every failure is actually a chance to grow. This experience helps me understand who I am and who I want to become. Another important part of my journey is my motivation. One of my biggest motivation is my family. I want to make them proud, especially my parents who have worked so hard to support my education. Every time I feel tired of stressed, I remind myself of their sac- sacrifices, and that gives me strength to continue. I also believe in the value of continuous learning, no matter how skilled or knowledgeable we are. There is always something new to learn. This mindset helped me stay humble and open minded. Finally, I believe that kindness is a powerful value. Even small acts of kindness can make a big difference in someone's day. I try to apply this in my everyday life, whether it's having a friends, respecting others, and simply being polite. Over time, I learned that building friendship is not only about having fun together, but also about supporting each other during the difficult moments. Some of my friends here have become like family to me. We study together, share stories, motivated each other, and sometimes joke around the relief stress. I believe that the connection we build during college will be valuable for the future, personally and professionally. So that is my complete introduce myself. Thank you very much for listening. I truly appreciate for time and attention. I hope this presentation helped you know more about me, and I look forward to becoming a better version of myself every day. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.